This is a video on making a graph, range versus launch angle for the lab marble launcher using Plotly. Start with making a new grid and typing in your data 0, 10, 20, and 90. So this is the angle, so we're going to keep this not on the Y, but instead just on the X, and then the range is going to be on our Y axis. So at angle 10, it was about 3 meters, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 5, excuse me, 4, and 3, and 0. Now you want to choose the plot type. You can choose it from here or here. You want to pick scatter, and then you'll click on the big blue scatter plot. Let's name it Marble Launcher. This is just saving it as a tab, so it names the tab here. So you can find it if you create more than one plot. You don't have to add any collaborators. You can fit the data. You're going to add fit to trace by selecting quadratic because it's a curved line, and you run the best fit. And I noticed that there's a legend here. Let's hide the legend as we don't need it. And let's check out our graph. There we have it. Let's adjust the axes so it includes all of our data. So you can adjust X first. So we're going from 0 to 90. Let's go a little higher than our data, 95. Then you can choose Y, and we can go 0 to 6. A little out of our range so that we can see all of our data. Let's view it. So our axes are now numbered. Now we can label our axes with range in meters and launch angle in degrees. And we will just give it a title like any good graph has, range versus launch angle, Y versus X. So now we've completed our graph, and it should look like this. Now we have to insert it into our Google Doc. So you can take a picture of it, and once you take a picture, it goes into your downloads, and in this case, it was new plot number 7. And then you can find your lab, which is a Google Doc. I'm just going to open up a blank Google Doc to demonstrate. And in your lab where it tells you to graph, you can just insert image, choose a file to upload, go to your downloads folder and upload your picture, and it will appear. Highlight it. If you choose wrap text, then you'll be able to move it anywhere you want in the document, wherever it's asking you to insert the graph.